I went and helped my friend, and of course you had time machine cover gasket. Oh, thanks.
Why am I here?
Because your dumbass didn't change your clutch. Thank you, Anthony, by the way.
Hey, now you won't be constipated.
That's yours. I don't want to know that. That's too much. Oh, now she's on camera. She's too shy.
But anyways, Corolla is
Down for the count.
acting dumb. It's acting stupid, cringe, all the above. I'm not gonna record any sort of how-to because I already have the how-to. So this is just a vlog style video. Anyways, all right, let's get to work. Oh, sunbathing. Oh, that was it. Anyways, time to work.
All right, let's get your keys.
Yeah, I'm about to find out what exactly happened. Taking off the pressure plate.
How was the bearing?
Transmission's out. Throttle bearing looks fine. But see what happens. Clayton, what happened?
Seabass was a big dummy head, and look, see this piece? It got stuck right between the friction plate and the flywheel.
I really hope that didn't fuck up the...
It was in the centerpiece, like right here. See where the ARP bolts were? It was sitting right here, and then when you shook it, it went, and it fell.
Fuck, dude. I was starting to get scared thinking like it was the actual fucking transmission, yo.
See, look at the springs. They're all like, this one's tight.
It's just
this
that...
one's. You can tell, because if you look right here, see this little thing? It holds the springs in place. It's supposed to sit like that. Look how bent it.
How did that break, though?
Because someone didn't bring... never mind. There you go.
Lesson learned. Whenever you remove your transmission, put a new clutch. Put a new clutch, people. Fucking rip.
Leave it up on jack stands. I can put your wheels in my backyard.
So, here's the piece. Trying to focus on it. Man. Oh, it focused. It focused. Okay, cool. So, look at that. Wow. So, whenever you drop your C60 or transmission, make sure you change out your clutch because this can happen.
Doesn't matter if it has 20,000, 30,000 miles.
And you can see on the spring, it was actually pretty worn out too. No, put it back where it was.
What do you mean? Oh.
It showed the damage.
Oh, damn, son, look. Look, it's like literally like it's a chunk eating that right there.
On the two springs, the two springs. Move your fingers.
Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Look at that, dude.
I see it. It's pretty bad.
Hella bad.
The piece missing in there. So, that's junk.
On my street? What the hell is wrong with you?
It's all good. There's nothing but junk here anyways.
What, an MR2?
Junk.
MR2, Celica, Corolla.
Junk.
What? Are you kidding me?
Last junk. Last chunk. Junk. Pop it off. I'm cool because I got an MR2.
Look, it finally ripped.
Wow.
Holy
hey,
shit.
Now you have a convertible.
Damn. Fuck.
Finally.
I gotta drop like 5 bands on the fucking soft top or
Dude.
go ball out for a 3K hard top. Damn it, that sucks. Yeah, these, if you look on every single one, every single wheel has a different tire brand on it. Like this, one of them's Nitto, one of them's Bridgestone. Like,
Nankang.
look, Nitto.
Nitto. Ooh, that tire might be good actually.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. But the only good one, and then look at this one. This one has
4CM.
And then this one has, I think it's just like whatever the tire shop had, man. Like cross sport.
Cross Sport SP9. No, it's non-con. Whatever the turd. Anyways.
Jeez. Trash upon trash.
Trash upon trash. So we're gonna go right now to O'Reilly's. We're gonna try and warranty the axles because well, this one's old, and the passenger one, I accidentally stripped one of the threads on the carrier bracket, so hopefully they warranty that, and if not, well then oh well. But we're gonna call it a day for today. My goal was just to drop the transmission and not do much because my back's killing me, but
man, that's what I heard.
man, I don't know, but we're gonna call it a day. Just a quick little video for you guys, keep you up to date on Sebastian's busted ass Corolla.
His Instagram handle is Corolla. And look, he's actually working on his Corolla for once.
Oh my god, you have a point. Get yourself a Corolla XRS.
I'm gonna buy one of these actually. My boy. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna buy
I'll
one.
smoke it. Cringe. Anyways.
Don't look at the fender.
Wow. Oh yeah. Well, what's the guy's name that you bought the car from? Raymond. Look what he did to your Matrix, man. Come on. Rip.
Look, it's already starting to rust.
We'll buff out.
Yeah, maybe. Imagine just like caking it with Bondo.
Do it with the suction cup dildo and just see if it pops out.
Yeah, because I have a suction cup dildo on my hand. Or...
Sometimes I question you, man.
What the fuck?
But anyways,
oh, project's coming to this thing. I have a K&N intake for this for my boy Steve. Thank you. Wing. I'm gonna be adding on new paint job, new fender, and we're gonna do.
Yeah, don't think this paint is actually good, you guys. It's actually really, really shitty.
Yeah.
Like 5 out of 5 shitty. So, like so shitty that they painted over the emblem.
Jeez.
But
Bondo
City on the quarter panel. Don't worry, we'll fix that up.
So yeah, Matrix projects.
Oh, and then the 03 bumper. 03 bumper.
It's in the back right there. You wanna go look at it?
Oh, I could bring it tomorrow. The valences, actually, now that I think about it. Just send me a text reminder. All right, let's go. Quick wasting time.